This week's CCJ Tech Shorts features new AI-powered driver safety capabilities, a partnership that expands access to a toll analytics and reporting tool, and more.
Welcome to CCJ's Tech Shorts, your weekly look at technology and trucking. I'm CCJ's tech editor, Angel Coker. Go ahead and subscribe, and let's get started.
Fleet management and driver safety platform Motive has unveiled new AI models to help prevent collisions. These new capabilities include lane swerving detection, smoking detection, and forward parking detection. The repeated lane swerving detection flags 3 or more swerves in 5 minutes at speeds above 50 miles per hour and compiles them into a single clear safety event timeline to give managers a holistic look at repeated risky behavior in a short window. Smoking detection detects when a cigarette is in hand or mouth for more than 5 seconds and sends immediate in-cab alerts to the driver. And forward parking detection flags when a vehicle reverses out of a spot after parking headfirst to help reduce low-speed collisions. Fleetworthy, a technology suite that unifies safety, compliance, toll management, and waste station bypass, has integrated with Platform Science to expand access to its Toll Genius solution for fleets using both Bestpass and Platform Science ELDs. Toll Genius is a toll analytics and reporting capability that overlays Bestpass toll data with GPS and vehicle telematics information. Through the new integration with Platform Science, even more fleets can now access AI-powered insights that help detect toll anomalies, reduce violations, and improve overall toll management accuracy. This integration provides toll match, toll discrepancy, and smart fleet match report. It also provides interactive map views to pinpoint geographic patterns and investigate vehicle movement alongside toll events, and custom filters and date ranges, allowing a view of toll activity by vehicle, cost center, or custom time ranges to improve budgeting, financial oversight, and dispute resolution. Transport Capacity Services, a multimodal transportation and cross-border solutions provider, has opened a new office in Monterrey, Nuevo, León, Mexico, to enhance its ability to deliver efficient, reliable, and technology-driven freight solutions between and within the U.S. and Mexico. TCS leverages deep expertise, technology, and an extensive network of trusted carriers to simplify cross-border operations. The company helps shippers navigate regulatory and operational challenges while improving compliance, efficiency, and cost-effectiveness. Fleet management and fleet leasing solutions provider Merchants Fleet has partnered with Cognizant to modernize its business processes across sales, fleet operations, and customer service with a goal to streamline its operations and create greater efficiency. Cognizant is combining AI-powered automation and predictive analytics to reimagine Merchants Fleet systems and is leveraging generative AI to accelerate development cycles. This partnership reflects a broader industry shift toward integrated tech platforms that address persistent challenges such as billing and payment complications, slow repair turnaround, and limited visibility into vehicle performance. The fleet management industry is undergoing rapid transformation, with organizations seeking to modernize legacy systems and harness AI for predictive maintenance, supply-demand forecasting, and customer experience optimization.
That's everything from us for now. Be sure to subscribe and hit that bell to catch CCJ's Tech Shorts again next week. Until then, you can read more and sign up for our newsletter at ccjdigital.com. Thanks for watching.